Hello everyone, I am Ritika. In this video, we are learning about constructors. A constructor is a special member function of a class that is executed whenever we create a new object of that class. Its primary role to initialize the member of the new object, ensuring it starts in a valid and consistent state. Without constructors, the object might be created with unpredictable or garbage value. Types of constructors. There are four types of constructors. Type 1, the default constructors. Automatic creation. If you don't define any constructors in the C++ compiler, automatically provide a public default constructors. No arguments. It takes no arguments, meaning it's perform default initialization of a member variable. Zero initialization. For built-in type, it performs zero initialization for class type. It called their default constructors. The default constructors is a circular for a simple object creation without specific initialization requirement. Let's see the default constructor example. In this example, the object 1 is created and its value member is automatically set to 0 by the default constructors, ensuring a clean initialized state. Type 2, parametricized constructor. The parametricized constructors allow you to define a specific argument that are passed when the object is created. This enables the initialization of the object member with a custom user-defined values at the time of instantaneous, provided greater flexibility and control. They are particularly useful when the object need to be created with non-default initial state based on the external input or specific requirement. Let's see the parametricized constructor example. Here, C and C are created with distinct radii. Directly through the parametricized constructors, eliminating the need for separate initialization step. Let's see the another two types of constructors. Copy constructors. A copy constructor is a special constructor in a C++ used to create a new object as a copy of an existing object. It takes a reference to an object of the same class as an argument. Let's see the example of the copy constructors. Here, student string is a normal constructor initialize a name. A copy constructor that's copy the name from another object. Student s2 is equal to s1. Create a s2 as a copy of a s1, calling the copy constructors. The output is Ritika. Dynamic constructors. A dynamic constructor is a constructor that allocates a memory dynamically at a runtime for the data member using a new or other dynamic member allocation function. Let's see the example of the dynamic constructor. Here, new char allocates memory dynamically for name. String copy functions copies the given string into that allocated memory. Display print anu. Here, person functions is a destructor function. Release the memory using delete name. Thank you.